Let us start with configuring our scenes in Open Broadcaster Studio so we can set various sources for our stream. By default, I'll have a scene when I install OBS for the very first time. To get started, I will go ahead and add a new scene and I'll give it a name. After I give it a name, I press on OK. I can add as many scenes as I want, and I can rename existing scenes. I can use the arrow keys to move the scenes up and down. Moving it up and down sets the order for the scenes in OBS. I will add more scenes, and then in the next video what I will show us is how to use these scenes with various sources so that our outputs to our streams can change based on the scenes that we select.